support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going?
Fantastic. Yourself?
I am doing great, thank you.
Are you on the show floor right now?
I sure am on the show floor.
Fantastic. All right. So tell us about yourself.
So I'm Jeannie Weldon. I'm the Chief Innovation and Marketing Officer for an incredibly powerful company called DailyPay, and we are here live at CES because we believe that everybody should be live at CES this year.
You know, we certainly wanted to be, but you know, things happen, and this has been a crazy year. We're definitely missing being there, but tell us about your company.
So DailyPay is a company that enables any working American to have access to their pay as they earn it. So you don't have to wait for payday anymore. That's going to be like a thing of the past. So as you work, our app will identify how much money you've earned, and then you log into the app. And when you log into the app, you can save that money as you earn it, or you can pull it out to pay for an unexpected bill, or use it for something that you want to purchase, take the kids out to dinner, surprise them, or whatever you want to do.
What?
True.
That's fantastic. Okay,
and that's why we're here.
So let me see if I get this right. Based on, let's say, past pay or some algorithm, you know, give or take daily, how much I should be making, and your platform gives me access to that early.
We actually integrate with an employer's payroll and time management sheet. So when you clock in or clock out, or if you're salaried, we can see how much you earn. So for the first time ever for hourly workers, you can actually see how much money you're earning. So even if you don't take it out before the company scheduled payday, you know exactly how much your paycheck's going to be. If you're working time and a half, if you're getting double time pay, if you're picking extra hours, it makes it so simple and transparent for you to finally see how much money you're making and then use it when you need it. Because 33% of Americans run out of money in between paychecks. It's not that they're not getting paid enough. It's just the timing of the company scheduled payday and when your bills come in, or when you get a fender bender or your car battery dies, sometimes don't line up with each other so nicely.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you integrate directly with the employer. So does that mean that my employer would have to be part of this system? So
it does.
Okay, yes. So they are your
customer.
That's
the only way we can make sure it's accurate. Well, they are the customer for us to integrate with, and it's simple, doesn't change anything about what they're doing from a process standpoint, and then all their employees have access to it. And what we announced today was our digital wallet solution. It's the only digital wallet that makes money as you work. Right? Because think about it, like what happens with your bank account every month? It goes down in between pay periods. DailyPay is the only thing that as you work, your balance goes up in your wallet. Look at the wallet if you don't have any money in it.
Fair enough. Yeah. Okay. This is fantastic. So myself as an employee, let's say, I don't have to do anything special so long as my employer is part of this system. I get access to your platform. Is it through like
it's an app? It's an app.
Okay. Excellent. So it's technically independent-ish.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
you download the DailyPay app. So
so I sign up.
McDonald's.
I sign up for it, and then it gets connected to my employee account, or do I get an account from the employer?
No, you sign up for it with your own personal information. All we are literally doing from your employer is pulling the information about how many hours you worked and your rate of pay, and any tax withholdings that you have for your health care or things like that.
Okay, that's really cool. So I heard you say Hilton and McDonald's.
Oh yeah, just a few of the companies that we work with.
So let's use those two as an example. Let's say I'm working for McDonald's and I'm using this platform, and then I leave McDonald's to go to Hilton. I don't have to re-sign up. I can just connect my new employer's account to my account.
Yep. Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay.
Or if you have two jobs, maybe you work at Dollar Tree and you work at Taco Bell.
Okay. And so I can see both of them in one place.
Yep.
Okay. Now, let's talk about the two pieces. The first is, how does taking money out early work?
So it's super simple. The way that it works is you log into the app and you can see how much money you've earned, right? You have to earn it. So it's not a loan. You have to have worked enough hours to earn that money. Okay. And it's your net earnings. So it's your money less the money that is going to be sent for taxes or for health benefits. You log in, you see how much money you've earned, and then you have a choice. You can leave it in there. You can put it into a savings account. So you can start saving as you earn, make more interest earlier, or you can withdraw the money. You can put it on any card that you want to. You can put it into a checking account, a savings account, on a debit card, whatever you want to do, whatever account that you have, so you can easily get your money and use it for whatever you need it for.
Okay. And is there a cost for that?
So your employer can choose to cover so we're like Venmo. If you're taking the money out next day, then you just get it like Venmo works and you take the money out for the next day. If you're getting your money the same day, like immediately, meaning, and this happens, people are standing in the grocery store line and they realize they don't have enough in their bank account to pay for groceries, they just need a little bit more, then it is a $2.99 fee. But sometimes the employers cover that. Sometimes the employers subsidize it. Sometimes they leave it up to the employee. So it's really up to you.
Okay. So there's lots of ways to address that. Now, let's talk about this wallet. Give me more information about how this thing works.
So just like any other wallet, right? So when you sign into DailyPay, you're activating the DailyPay digital wallet. And as you're working, the money is accumulating in the wallet. So it's just there for you to use, and you can use it if you want to pay a bill, save something, send it to a friend, whatever you want to use it for. The cool thing is that in addition to your regular earnings, like if you worked your shifts at Dick's Sporting Goods or somewhere else, this also holds money that you get for tips. So if you work at a restaurant and instead of having to wait for Friday when they disperse all the credit card tips, you can get them as you work, like it used to be in the days when I was a waitress. Or if you are if something happens with your paycheck and your payroll was just a little wrong and they have to correct your payment, maybe you worked an extra shift or something was down, that all of that goes right into your DailyPay wallet solution, and it's there for you. Okay. Makes it really simple. But the coolest thing is the transparency. When you can log in and see, I've made $410 and it's 3 days until payday, you can actually start to budget smarter and think, okay, I can pay off this high interest credit card, or let me pay this bill before there's a late fee. And what we see is that the average person saves $1,200 a year in overdraft fees, late fees, and non-sufficient funds that they normally would pay just because the timing's off.
Wow. Okay. So interacting with this wallet, I'm trying to make sure I understand where this fits into my day. So is this, obviously, especially at CES this year, there's a lot of talk about crypto. Is this a crypto wallet or is this something else?
No. Okay. This is just a regular good old money wallet as it stands right now.
Fantastic. So we're not worried about fluctuations in the value of the money that we've.
Yeah. We don't have to have the decentralized financial conversation right now, or government owning rights.
Fantastic. So SEC, no concerns here.
We're good. We're good
over there. So this is like an advanced display system where you can constantly see how much money you have. Your money is put into kind of like a checking account type situation.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, I got you. And then
Yeah. And it's real time, so you can see. So in the morning you wake up and you're like, "Ugh, do I really need to go to work today?" Halfway through, you open up the DailyPay app and you're like, yeah, good thing I came to work today. This is
for
good.
sure.
A little more motivated. Yeah.
Okay, that's super cool. And as an employer, how complicated is this to sign up?
It's not complicated at all. We've literally we've integrated with over 6,000 different financial institutions and
Wow.
systems. So chances are, whatever you're using for payroll time management, we've got it. And it's just, flick of a switch, a couple file integrations, and you're ready to go.
That's wild. Okay,
Yeah.
so if employers want more information, and I can guarantee they're going to, how can they
Yes.
get more information or contact you to sign up?
DailyPay.com. They can find all the information they want on our website, or Jeannie Weldon. You can find me on LinkedIn, and I'm happy to connect you with our team.
Fantastic. Well, I really appreciate this. This is a cool solution. I'm super stoked about this, and I cannot
Yes.
wait to investigate it a little bit more on my own.
Check it out. Yeah, go to the website, check it out. And if you are watching this and you are here at CES, we've got some really great swag, so come by the booth.
Oh, you've got a lot of stuff on those shelves, don't you?
I know. Yes, we do, including these awesome bags, which we're sharing with people. Everybody needs them. So there you go.
Very nice. And that's a cool looking booth, by the way. I just have to say.
Thank you. I'll tell the team. They'll be really happy.
Well, thank you so much for coming and taking the time to talk to me today. And hopefully you'll have a great rest of your CES.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.
TPN CES 2022 coverage is executive produced by Michelle Mendez. Technical directors are Kurt Corliss and Adam Barker. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz and Maurice McCoy. Interviews are edited by Joe Minnie. Hosts are Marlo Anderson, Todd Cochran, Scott Ertz, Christopher Jordan, Danielle Mendez, and Alante Sparks. Las Vegas studio provided by HC Productions. Remote studio provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production. Copyright 2022.